company that brought windshield repair techs the best injectors, the best resin, and the best training, once again sets the bar even higher. Introducing the ProCur Smart Curing Light. The ProCur Smart is loaded with features. Borrowing the same streamlined shape as the ProCur Plus, the new ProCur Smart is conveniently cordless with a built-in battery that powers up to 150 curing cycles on a single charge. With USB-C to USB connection, charging on the go is made simple. ProCur Smart can also run complete curing cycles while charging, so you'll never have to worry about completing the job. With a single press of the button, ProCur Smart will cure the repair in about 30 seconds, automatically adjusting the curing time based on the ambient temperature. With the double press of the button, ProCur Smart will power through a 15-second pit fill cycle. ProCur Smart has an extra wide curing area, making it great for curing small to medium length cracks. So if you want exceptional curing power, innovative features, and cordless flexibility, look no further. Upgrade to the best with ProCur Smart from GlasWeld.